Hello everyone and welcome to another AdMaths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing SPM 2016 AdMaths Paper 1 Question 19 from Form 4 Chapter 8 Circular Measure. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. Diagram 19 shows a circle with center O and radius 8 cm. Given the length of the minor arc AB is 16 cm. So this is the length of the minor arc, guys. Okay. Use pi equals to 3.142. State the value of theta in radians. Find the area of the major sector OAB in centimeter square. Correct to 4 significant figures. So this is the overall question. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, a big thumbs up to you guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries, I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions. So without further delay, let us start to solve this question. Let us continue. Okay, for the question part A, the information already given us is the length of the minor arc AB is 16 cm and then the radius 8 cm. Okay, so the question asks us to find the value of theta in radians. Okay, so for the question part A, what we're going to do is we're going to use the formula length of arc, which is S equals to R theta. Okay, let me write down in the working. Let us continue. Okay, so the length of the arc is already given in the question is 16 cm. Okay, which is the length of the minor arc AB. Okay, so let us write it down. So from here 16 is equals to, okay, the radius is already given by the question, which is 8 cm. Okay, but then we don't know the value of theta, so we just leave it as it is. Okay, so from here 8 theta is equal to 16. So to get theta, what you do, 16 you divide with 8. So from here you get your theta is equals to 2 radian. Okay, so this is your solution for the question part A. Okay, let me underline the answer. Okay, let us proceed to the question part B, where they ask us to find the area of the major sector OAB in centimeters square. Correct to 4 significant figures. Okay, in this case, this is the area of the major sector, guys. Okay, so which is I'm hovering at. So before proceeding to find the area of the major sector OAB, the first thing you need to do is you need to find the angle of the major sector AOB or OAB, okay, whatever you want to call it. So to get the angle of major sector, what you need to do, 2 pi, which is indicates the total interior angle of a circle in radian, and then you have to minus with 2 radian. Okay, in this case 2 pi you minus with theta. That's how you're going to get the angle of the major sector OAB. Okay, so I hope you understand the concept behind this. Okay, the first step what we're going to do is we're going to find the angle of major sector. Okay, let me write down in the working here. Okay, let us continue. So since in the question they ask us to use the pi value equals to 3.142, so this 3.142 we're going to use over here in our calculation. So from here equals to 2 times with 3.142 close bracket, you minus with 2. Okay, you calculate this, you should get your angle of major sector OAB is 4.284 radian. Okay, so this is your very first step, guys. Okay, let me underline the angle. Okay, so this is your first step. So once you get the angle of major sector OAB, then only we can proceed to find the area of the major sector OAB. Okay, so from here to find the area of sector, so we're going to use the formula A is equals to half R square theta. Okay, let me box this formula. Okay, let us continue. So from here, the area we can find now, okay, the radius is 8 and then your angle is 4.284 radians. So let us calculate it now. Okay, from here equals to half times with 8 square times with 4.284 radian. Okay, you calculate this, you will get 137.088, but this is not the final answer. Okay, the answer asks us to correct to 4 significant figures, okay, but then it's already more than 4 significant figures. So from here we will round it off, correct to 4 significant figures. So from here you should get your answer is 137.1 centimeter square. So this will be your final answer, guys. Okay, let me underline the solution now. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future, and not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.